When we strike the strings of a guitar, the pulse producing it goes to and fro. This way, the entire string is divided into certain vibrating segments. These vibrations are called standing waves. Standing waves are produced when two waves of the same frequency traveling in opposite directions superpose on each other. Due to this, the energy transfer stops completely. Hence, the energy possessed by individual particles remains constant. Let's learn more about this in this session. Listening to a guitar, violin, sitar and veena will always make you feel amazing. Have you ever viewed these instruments from the lens of physics? Stay tuned to learn the physics behind music.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.